How to earn a six-figure income online. Here are 3 tips that the experts keep to themselves. Number 1. A compelling offer. A compelling offer will have a high likelihood of selling as they will provide some sort of benefit to the buyer, such as solving a problem. Number 2. Persuasive promotion. Having a persuasive promotion will tremendously increase the chances of making a sale, as it will pique the interest of potential buyers. Number 3. Email marketing. Email marketing allows you to remarket your offer to people who are already interested but haven't yet made a decision. These people are much more likely to make a purchase as they are already highly interested. Bonus tip: passive reoccurring offers. Passive or reoccurring offers are offers that will keep making you money over and over again, such as a monthly or yearly subscription service. If you would like to start earning 6 figures online and have all of this done for you, click the link in the description box below and get access to the super affiliate system that I personally use to earn a 6-figure income online every month.